Greetings. This project consists of the elaboration and development of useful devices in the materials synthesis laboratory. Using 3D printing, it is possible to make almost any element or component, which helps to carry out any possible form of design. A fundamental part of the materials synthesis laboratory is the use of devices to improve the processes that are carried out there. One of these devices is a centrifuge, which facilitates the separation of solutions of heterogeneous materials. In addition, there is a spin coating device to create films from various materials produced in the institution's laboratory. The main objective of the design and manufacture of these devices is to significantly reduce their production costs. In addition, they must comply with the essential functionalities that equipment purchased from a distributor would have, ensuring its full utility for students in the laboratory and, therefore, obtaining favorable results. Development: the devices could not be too large due to the space available in the laboratory. However, they had to be easy to handle. This requirement included good screen visibility from the driving angle and easy keyboard operation. As for the electronics, it had to be affordable and easy to repair in the event of a breakdown. As part of the functional goal, the equipment was 3D printed using PLA. This material is resistant to most solvents used in the laboratory and is easily recyclable. Design. CAD design, in addition to 3D printing, is a fundamental part when carrying out this project since, as mentioned, different limitations had to be covered, such as space, weight, final dimensions, and in the case of these devices, the revolutions per minute that both teams would work. 3D printing allowed us to make different designs and change between them. In this way, to have continuous improvement and not worry about waste, since it is completely recyclable and resistant. The components designed for the centrifuge allow the way to use it to be very simple, and the housing of the rotor with the tubes is very accessible. The rotor allows up to 8 tubes, thus improving its practicality. For its part, the spin coating device, the design is simpler, complying with the keyboard and screen in an easy-to-see and operate arrangement. In addition, the space occupied by the axis and the sample holder allows the dispersion of the material without airwaves that intervene when being used and thus do not interfere with the result of the thin film. This device required a belt transmission that reduced the revolutions to a scale of 10:1. Obtaining very low revolutions for the beginning of the film and a final range that allows the evaporation of the solvents used. The assembly of the two devices is simple, since each piece was designed in such a way that one piece fits with the other without the need for adhesives. And each device keeps the electronics safe from the materials with which they work. As a result, we have a completely usable centrifuge with a fairly wide range of revolutions and a device to create thin films whose results are quite satisfactory. Obtaining good uniform dispersion throughout the substrate, in addition to the fact that both devices only need a 12V voltage source to work. Conclusions: despite working on a limited budget, the purchased equipment successfully meets the centrifugation requirement, providing a speed range of 700 to 7,500 RPM and 4,095 xg. The adaptability of this equipment allows the use of multiple heads, accommodating different amounts and sizes of Eppendorf tubes. Similarly, spin coating equipment responds effectively to your needs, achieving consistent film deposition thanks to its fully adjustable RPM settings, which reflect the capabilities of the centrifuge. In addition, spin coating equipment meets the needs with its extensive RPM options, which can be fine-tuned via programming settings. This equipment also stands out for its versatility, thanks to the incorporation of sample holders and a set of pulleys, which allow the speed ratios to be customized to achieve a significant reduction or increase in RPM. Thank you very much for your time. Greetings to all.